Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Velo Labs powering the next era. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC and we've got Decent as our wallet partner. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, and benefits. Anyways, let's get straight to the video and let's see what's happening with Velo in real time, folks. So look at this. We've got history makers over here. History in the making. Look at this. President Trump 13 hours ago. Welcome to the first ever White House Digital Asset Summit. Last year, I promised to make America the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we're taking historic action to deliver on that promise. President Donald J. Trump. Folks, this is, although the price is really volatile already, although the price is falling, the price is plummeting, there was a huge sell-off in the stock market as well. Tesla stocks took a hit, a significant hit, folks. Mr. Elon Musk losing almost $100 billion in his net worth. So this is how huge of a hit that was. We're talking about just pennies, people losing billions to each their own. Regardless of that, the fundamentals of this industry are as strong as ever. Look at this. There are regulations taking place. This asset class is trying to be has finally found a stronghold in American politics as well. Look at this.
Welcome to the first ever White House Digital Asset Summit. Last year I promised to make America the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we're taking historic action to deliver on that promise.
Your administration is moving at tech speed.
We are going to keep the U.S. the dominant reserve currency in the world, and we will use stable coins to do that.
Technology is at the foundation of the Trump presidency.
This is truly a historic day, and as a crypto founder, I couldn't be more proud to be part of your administration.
No one in this room could have envisioned this just a couple years ago. We want to stay at the forefront of everything. This is a big day. Being in the White House is a big deal, and you have great support. Thank you all very much. Thank you.
I mean, this is awesome. This is really great for this industry, that's for sure. White House Crypto Summit trending over here. Okay, you can't stop things like BTC. It will be everywhere, and the world will have to readjust. World governments will have to readjust. John McAfee. Folks, we're going to be looking at this trend as well in a moment. And Velo is certainly one of the front runners trying to power the next era of finance. We're going to be looking at this in a moment. Meanwhile, you can see that Sailor over here says that strategic Bitcoin reserve has the potential to generate $16 to $81 trillion in wealth for the US Treasury by 2045. Strategic Bitcoin reserve win the race to dominate cyberspace and own the future, acquire 5 to 25% of the Bitcoin network, and trust for the nation through consistent programmatic daily purchases. The strategic Bitcoin reserve has the potential to generate 16 to 81 trillion in wealth for the US Treasury by 2045. Never sell your BTC. By 2045, the reserve should be generating $10 trillion plus annually, continuously growing and serving as a perpetual source of prosperity for the American people for generations to come. I mean, this is how huge it is, and Velo trying to provide a real world use case. It can benefit a lot from these news, folks. Look at this. Velo trying to power the next era of finance. The Velo token ensures seamless integration between traditional finance and blockchain through multiple utilities. It is the collateral for cross-border transactions, facilitates remittances and business payments securely, staking for rewards, encourages network participation while reducing costs, digital credit issuance, unlocks liquidity for users in cash-restricted economies, trying to serve the underserved and the unbanked as well. OmniPoints and loyalty payments enables crypto-based loyalty rewards and real-world transactions, ecosystem growth, supporting DeFi, RWA, and payments infrastructure. Folks, a lot of people were saying that the updates recently are happening in the USA, but let me assure you that this industry is global, and it like internet is global, this industry is also global, and a project that is based in Southeast Asia can easily provide use case in the USA as well after regulations take place. After this, it can easily basically provide the use case. Everything can happen throughout the globe: cross-border transactions, staking, investing in tokenized assets. So we're global, basically. Global remittances exceeded $650 billion in 2023, proving the higher demand for fast, affordable solutions like Velo. Awesome. Okay, what else do we have? Traditional finance is slow, expensive, and outdated. Velo is solving this by introducing, as you saw, cross-border payments, tokenized real-world assets, crypto commerce. Blockchain-powered solutions could reduce remittance fees from 7% to below 3%, saving a lot in fees, folks. Okay, what is this? Franklin Templeton's latest report highlights that Solana's DeFi ecosystem is undervalued compared to Ethereum's. Obviously, folks, because Ethereum has that first mover advantage, that's for sure. DeFi financial uses blockchain and smart contracts self-running code to provide services like lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. This enables fast 24/7 global access to crypto financial markets. As of March 6, 2025, by the way, why is Solana important? Because it is collaborating with Velo. For those of you that do not know, some might say, why is Velo posting about Solana and whatnot? So yeah, as of March 6, 2025, DeFi holds $98.81 billion in value, total value locked or TVL, and handles $9.78 billion in daily trades according to DeFi Llama. DeFi is booming and Velo is driving this growth with a vision to revolutionize finance. How does it want to do it? It is by making it simpler, fairer, and faster. Through bold innovations in decentralized finance, real-world assets, and payment finance, Velo overcomes the limits of traditional systems, setting new standards for the industry. I mean, this is awesome, folks. By the way, this is the report from Franklin Templeton. Solana versus Ethereum over here. Okay, market perspective. Solana versus Ethereum decentralized finance. Yeah. Basically, Solana is behind Ethereum and it is collaborating with Velo. This is why it is important. Now let's see what's happening with the community while we're at it, because the community is always active with technicals and fundamentals for us. Market Believer over here says that the uptrend will be broken only below $0.008. Till then, at least Binance Hope is alive on Velo. The entire market is bleeding, folks. The entire market is bleeding a lot. I haven't checked the Velo price recently, but I assure you that only a handful of projects in so many thousands of projects might be in the green. Everything is red. Everything has been red recently. Let them list it. I will be the first one, but I won't. First one out, I won't even tell you about it because there would be no point saying that at that time. So better sharpen your memory to remember this when it actually happens, because there will be no hints. Look at this, crucial levels, folks, crucial trend line levels. Yeah, let's hope that these support levels remain intact. Yeah, it can come down and touch this as well. I do not know where the price is at the moment. It might have already touched it. Who is ready to make 3,000 percentage on Velo in the next run? Okay, at this moment things are really gloomy, volatile, despite great fundamentals behind the scenes. Velo gonna be all right. Well, gonna be all right. Okay, hopefully. Bullish reversal pattern, weekly stock RSI oversold, GC mid band support 0.012, a falling wedge pattern, bullish EWT 5 waves down, checked. So according to chart nerd, there has been a confluence in a lot of different technicals. Falling wedge, RSI oversold, price target flipped into support. Let's hope that it happens soon. By the way, it hasn't happened. Let's hope that it happens soon. Okay. Valorians, Binance is listing new tokens based on votes and apparently stop receiving listings fees. Are you ready to smash your vote on Velo protocol? The memes have a huge community who are working for them, to be honest. The utility projects, they cannot compete with the community of the memes, to be honest. They shill so much. They shill constantly. A handful of projects in the utility space have that sort of maneuvering capability, but Velo has got a really decent community building. Velo XLM chart, we are currently bouncing on the 0.236 after a perfect hit on the 1.618. Yeah, crucial levels, folks, make or break sort of levels, because if it falls, it can bleed a lot, to be honest. The entire industry, the entire market, basically. Apex Gem Hunter, know what you hold. If you believe in the project, then buy at this level. Then buying at this level is a no-brainer, and you should buy at this level if you have a conviction in any project, because these are really great levels to buy into. Even if the market falls further, you can DCA as well. Accumulate as much as you can in the project that you believe in, basically. If Velo hits 3 cents in the next 24 hours, I'll give everyone that engages with this tweet $50. I do not think that it will reach 3 cents in the next 24 hours, to be honest, but it will be a pleasant surprise if it does. So shout out to Maxi. It will be a pleasant surprise, and I would really like people to earn that $50 that he's giving away, hopefully. But never ever give away your seed phrase to anyone, folks. Unless we see a change of events pretty soon, it will be the first time that Velo closes out in the red on 3 consecutive monthly candles since the all-time high decline in 2021. We need to pick up the pace soon. I still believe March has the potential to provide a positive return. So these are the stakes, folks. Velo hasn't seen these levels since that all-time high. 3 consecutive monthly reds. If Velo hits 4 cents, okay. Few bulls remain, and I'm confidently one of them, and that will continue to back my talk until proven otherwise. Short-term volatility has not changed my outlook in the slightest. That's for Velo and in general, the overall space. Let's send the market, that's for sure. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about Velo? Do you think that it indeed is powering the next era? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.